You can't throw, man. The grill's not a magical grill.
Check this out and you be the judge.
We're Maddie and Kiki, Canada's favorite female grill masters.
We've worked with some of the top barbecue brands in the industry, showcasing them on TV, at live demonstrations, and in our barbecue classes.
Now, we're hunting down unique grills, old and new, to test if they're a grill master favorite
Or a grill master flop.
In today's video, we're testing out this awesome football-shaped grill.
So in the 90s, Budweiser and Bud Light released a series of these grills. It looks like they had a smoker. This one, they're kind of rare to find, so I was excited that we found one.
Again, I found it in Oshawa. Gotta love Oshawa. You can find all kinds of cool grills around Oshawa.
I know, why are there so many people love to grill in Oshawa, apparently.
Go Oshawa, go!
So these things we found online typically go for about $170. We picked this thing up for about $45.
$45. That is unheard of. I know how to get a deal.
You
okay?
do.
I do.
You do. She does.
It definitely didn't start at $45. It actually started at $150. I got them down. I got them down. I got them down.
It started at $150?
$150, and then you never know. That's why when you're buying something online on Facebook Marketplace, on any of those like used seller sites, you never know how eager people are to get rid of this thing.
Yeah.
So what we see as like a little piece of like gold, someone else could be like, I need to get this out of my garage.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
$45, this thing happened to end up here.
And this guy said he used this thing, but it didn't look used at all. Like, it kind of had some ashes in the bottom, but I don't know how this guy used this thing because it definitely did not look used.
I'm going to say he didn't use it with the lid on.
I don't think he did either.
Yeah, because that lid was in like mint condition. And like the second that we started loading it up, it had discoloration right off the top. So that definitely shows that whoever owned this before, not a fan of the lid.
I'm going to go even further and say whoever owned this before didn't know how to grill. Sorry, same, that's one and the same.
Kiki!
So to test this grill, we're going to be making weenies in a blankie, but not just a regular blankie, a pig blankie.
AKA bacon wrap weenies.
They got a little sugary rub going on top. I don't know if this grill's going to work that great, but to be honest, I think these things would really taste good on anything. They're like the ultimate Super Bowl appetizer. Dip them in a little ranch.
We're starting off with overall appearance, AKA the cuteness factor. We've said it once, we'll say it again. To us, a grill has to have cuteness factor, okay? I know people who are tuning in right now, you guys agree, okay? Cuteness factor is important.
That is a thing when it comes to grilling. It totally is. You have to like the way that it looks, just like when you buy a car, you judge with your eyes first, let's be honest.
Totally. And you know, just looking at this thing, it is super cute.
Exactly. I gave this one a 5 out of 5 for cuteness factor. I say this every time, super cute grill. Okay, perfect for the Super Bowl. The makers of this grill even did perfect little white laces. And
yes, oh my goodness, those laces. They look like a real football.
And I would like to point out that Ray Finkel would be very happy because they are laces out.
Laces out.
I was very pleased by the overall appearance of this thing. I thought it was extremely cute.
Yeah, me too. I said it doesn't get cuter than a football-shaped grill. The only thing that could beat this grill is a grill that looks like my fur baby little Ricky, okay? That's the only thing that could beat this. I'd like to see it.
Little Ricky has a grouchy face that wouldn't make a cute grill.
That's me! Little Ricky's my baby!
He's got a face only a mother could love.
Moving on to efficiency. Honey, what did you say about efficiency?
5. One chimney full of charcoal fit perfectly in the little basket that came in the bottom. First of all, I love that it had the basket with the air vents on the bottom, a sturdy little stand, that drip/ash pan.
Yep.
Totally appreciated. And I love the football-shaped stack at the top.
However, not that functional.
Yes, it was. What else do you want from this thing?
Because I would like to be able to control it. I already said that before. The football-shaped stack, it should be like on a hinge, so you can move that accordingly. Otherwise, it's just there. It's blowing the smoke down. That serves no purpose except being cute.
The smoke wasn't being blown down. It was coming out and wafting around.
Yeah, I don't want it just wafting around. I want to control where it wafts to. How much waftage comes out.
I'm going to waft it at you in a second. I thought as far as efficiency goes, this thing actually does grill very well.
I would have preferred the wooden handles to be stained or painted, okay?
Now you're just getting finicky.
Do you want to lift that thing and get slivers? Who's putting an unfinished piece of wood as a handle?
I like that it was rustic.
It got hot and you could have gotten slivers.
And if you notice, because it was a football shape, we had the weenies on the perimeter, and the bacon and the weenies were full of fat, so they were dripping down, but the fat was going right down to the center, conveniently in the little tray.
Yeah, loved that little tray.
So did
That
I.
thing wasn't just cute, it was for practical reasons.
Functional.
Moving on to worth the price, honey, what did you say?
5.
Wow.
Again, 5, okay? 5, over and over 5. But hey, I said, I'm glad we paid $45. I would even pay the $175.
Me too.
Really?
Yes, I
You're
said that
normally hard
too.
to please with price.
No, I said it's a 5.2. I said for $45, this was totally worth it. It was sturdy enough, and I could even see doing low and slow cooks on it. And I said I could even see using the snake method in here because the snake method would work in there.
A teeny snake.
Yes, it took I'm not talking a huge brisket on there, but you could do a little rack of ribs on there.
Automatically, people will like it if they're fans of football, if they're fans of Super Bowl, if they like beer, if they like Bud Light.
That's my kind of people right there.
People would love this thing.
Yeah, I think so too.
5.
5 there, me too, honey. We're both so far
5.
right there. We're on 5. Happiness 5 / food taste. What did you think about that?
5.
Okay, me too.
5 again. This thing brought a huge smile to my face.
That's what I said. I said you can't help but smile when you're using this thing.
Okay, then that's got to make it a fact. I don't think you can be in a bad mood cooking on a grill that's shaped like a football.
And if you can, you got to make some life changes, okay?
The question I have for you, though, honey, is what did the food taste like that came off the grill?
Well, like we said, bacon-wrapped weenies, that's fat wrapped around little pockets of fat. How is that not going to be good? It was absolutely spectacular. That's a natural thing to serve at Super Bowl. Something that's cooked on a football grill, something that's poppable, something that's mini. That's all you need for Super Bowl food.
Did they get the classic charcoal grilled flavor, though? Did that grill allow the charcoal flavor to infuse the food?
Good question. Yes, it did.
I'm not surprised.
Yes, it did. That did not taste like food that has been cooked on, like, just say a gasser or whatever. You can tell that was charcoal flavor through and through. I know everyone looking at this, it's a football shaped grill. The question on your mind, I know it, is this thing gonna make you throw better?
I don't know if a grill can make you throw better. I don't know if barbecue pops teaching you to throw better would make you throw better.
Is that a shot at me or barbecue pops? How is that fair?
You can't throw, man. The grill's not a magical grill.
Check this out and you be the judge.
Okay, here we go.
I was pretty impressed with my form there.
There was no form. You could barely catch it from me throwing it to you.
It wasn't about can I catch better, it was can I throw farther?
0. It didn't make Maddie throw better.
I do think because it was football shaped that it helped me throw a football farther, and I did say, I wonder if there's a dishwasher shaped grill out there to help me improve my dishwasher loading capabilities, because I can admit it, I suck at loading the dishwasher.
You do.
So do you.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
You think I do, but I don't.
You suck at loading the dishwasher too, honey.
Barbecue Pop says I nest. I don't know what that is. I just cram everything in. No, I don't agree with that, Barbecue Pops. You suck at throwing and loading.
If anyone out there comes across a dishwasher-shaped grill, let us know, because we need to get that thing, bring it home, and see if it has magical powers to make us load the dishwasher better.
Okay, would you use this thing again?
Overwhelmingly, yes. However, though, I said that, like a lot of the previous grills that we've reviewed so far, because they are so cute, they're little, I would like to keep this on a shelf at the grill studio, letting it live out its days on a beautiful shelf, just sitting looking pretty.
I would disagree with that. I would say I'm going to go on a limb here and say we're going to use this every year for Super Bowl.
No, I found it online. It's mine. You're not using it again.
What's the point of having it if we're not going to use it? I gave it a 5. I want to use it
No,
again.
sorry. Whoever spotted it gets to say you don't get to use it again.
25 out of 25, guys. I gave it a perfect score.
I gave it 24 to 25. That's pretty top high marks there.
Okay, you guys can find one of these grills out there, eBay, Amazon, secondhand. Your neighbor's got one tucked away in his garage. Try to get it, because this thing is awesome.
If you need help, I will offer you guys some lowballing tips so you guys can find one for $45 too.
She's good at the haggling, not so much at the throwing.
Okay, I'm gonna try this again.
You guys be the judge.
Oh yeah,
That
see?
sucked.
That was phenomenal. Thanks for watching, Barbecue Family.
And don't forget to tune in this Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time because we're going to be grilling up some delicious recipes and hanging out with the barbecue family. Maybe even shaking the maracas.
We're not shaking the maracas.
I am.
Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you're not ready to walk away from your barbecue sisters yet, check out the next video right here because you guys are going to love this one. The Lotus Grill, that one's still in my mind.
Love that
color,
one.
so cute, so awesome. Check it out, barbecue family.